Hi everyone, welcome to Javaras. In this video, we will solve day 2 challenge of 10-day challenge series, which is conducted by Navin on his YouTube channel Telusko. This is his YouTube channel. You will find many great content related to Java and other technologies here. I will put the link of this channel in the description. On day 1, he gave a challenge related to recursion memoization. I created an article about that. I will put the link to it in the description. And the source code for this challenge will be available on GitHub. Now let's start working on day 2 challenge. On the day 2, the challenge is to build a Java console application. That means we don't need to create any web app or something like that. We just need to create a console application. This application is all about product. Here product means the objects which we see around us on a regular basis, like pen, laptop, charger, mobile, kind of that. Type is what is the type of object. For example, laptop, is it smartphone, is it cable. Location, that means where that object is placed. And warranty, this is like expiry date of warranty. And this is the requirement of the application. We should be able to add a product. That means we should be able to tell the application where we are putting a product. We should be able to get all the products. We should be able to search a product by name, by location, and by text. So text means by name, type, or location. We should be able to search products with the expired warranty, and in the end we will try to use streams to send and receive data. Now let's get started. Let's create a new Java project. I will give it day 2 product service name. Now this is the location. Language is Java, build system IntelliJ. We are not using Maven or Gradle for it. We are just creating a simple Java project. We don't want to add sample code. Yeah, that's it. We can create the product. We can create the project. Now let's create a main class. Create a Java class, product, service, application. This will be our entry point to our application. Create a main method. For now, let's say hello world, whether we are able to run it or not. We can see hello world printed out in the console. Our application is working fine. Now let's add more code to it. The first requirement is that we should be able to add a product. For that, we need a product object, and as we know, in Java, to create any object we need a class. We will create a product class. And product is we can consider product as entity. So let's create a new Java class. This Java class will be inside a package called model. So I will say model dot product. Now in this project we won't be using any kind of database to store the products. We will just use a list. Product will have these things: name, type, location, and warranty. We can create these fields: private, string, name, string type, location, private, date, warranty. Let's call it warranty. And date will import from java.util. Yep, java.util. Now, alongside these properties, we need one more property which is called id. So, we say type it into id, and let's create a constructor. Generate constructor. Now we don't want id to be passed in the constructor, because imagine in the main class, when we are creating a product, we don't know what is the id of the product. This generating the id is generating the id for any entity or object is the responsibility of another layer, which we will discuss shortly. So we don't want id to be in constructor. We will set id of this product using setter, not using constructor. So we will use these 4 fields, and let's generate getter for everything. Or before that, generate setter for id. After that, generate getter for everything. So we have created product class. Now let's create a product here. Product name, product name, let's say Dell laptop, type will be laptop. Let's say it's placed on a brown table. And if you see, we write date in a string format, so let's write it here. Let's say its warranty was till 2020 12/10. Obviously this is string, but the constructor needs a date. What we can do, we can make it a string warranty. Now we need to convert this warranty to date. So this is string, we need to convert this string to date. For that, let's private take final. We need a date formatter. Or simple date formatter. Simple date format. Simple date format. And the date we will pass in the form of year, then hyphen month, then hyphen day. So YYYY This is the date format. So here we can say date format dot parse and warranty. We need to add try catch here, because string can be anything, so we may give error, and in that case we can make warranty null. Okay, now we should be able to add this product to our database or list of product, but that is not the responsibility of main class. That should be responsibility of some other layer, which is called service layer. All the business logic should go in the service layer. Let's create a service class inside service package, service dot product service, and create object of product service. product service, and you can say product service. This should be inside main. Product service dot add product and pass this product. But we get error because there is no method called add product. So let's create a method add product in product service. Okay. So now the responsibility of service is, now we should put only business logic in the service, but adding a product to list or database is not a business logic. That is the responsibility of another layer, which is called repository layer. So let's create another layer or another class inside repository package. Dot product repository, and here we will create an object of product repository. Repository equals to new product repository, and we can say repository dot save product. Now there is no save method in the repository, so let's create a method. Now what this method will do is, this will save this product in a list. For that we need a list of products. List products new array list, and then now we know that the product's ID is null because there is no option to assign ID using constructor. So we need to do that here using setter. So what should be the ID of the product? First product should have ID 1, second product should have ID 2. If there are already n products in the products list, that means the new product should have ID n plus 1. That means the size of products list plus 1. So product dot set ID product dot size plus 1, and then we will add this product to the products list. Products dot add product, and that is it. So that's how we create product. Now to test it, first let's so adding a product done. Now let's work on get all the products. If we get all the products, then we will know whether adding a product is working or not. For that, list product equal to service product service dot get all products, but there is no method of get all products. We create a method. Now this will get products from repository. You can say return repository dot find all, and find all will just return all the products, but it won't return the original list. It will return copy of this list. List products. Now we have the products. Let's say what is the size of the products. So and then we will print all the products and the products list. Let's run the application again. Yeah, we can see number of products is 1 and the product is this one, because we have not created toString method in the product class. That's why we are not seeing any fields. toString, and now let's rerun it. Because the product ID is 1 and here we have not specified ID for the product, but still we are getting ID equal to 1 because repository is setting the ID. That means adding the product and retrieving all the product is working. Now let's add some products in the list. So I already have code here. Just copy and here we are adding many products. Let's run it. So we have added 19 products and that is working fine. Now let's move on to the third requirement, which is search product by name. So that means the product name should match exactly, but it can be in uppercase or lowercase. So case insensitive. And we will return only one product. If we search by name, we need to return only one product. That means product equal to product service dot get product by name, and let's say we want to search MacBook charger, and we print the product here, but there is no method called get product by name. So let's create a method here. String MacBook charger, this will be name, and we will just delegate the responsibility to repository class. So we say return repository dot find one by name this. Let's create this method in the repository name. So we'll iterate over the list of products and we'll just match the name. For product in products, if product dot equal ignore case and name, then we just return product, otherwise we return null. Let's comment out this line. That is the first requirement, add a product. There is a second requirement, get all products. This is third requirement, get by name. Let's run it. Yeah, so we are able to get the MacBook charger. Its ID is 15, type is power, location is bedroom, and this is the warranty. Okay, let's go to the next requirement, which is search product by location. So it will be same here. Get product by name, instead of name it will be get product by location, and let's say, but this will be list of product because at one particular location there may be multiple products, so we can, yeah, so we can just remove it. Let's remove it. Copy this. This is fourth requirement, which is products by location, and get products by, let's say location in brown table. Now since we see the here T is small, but in our inputs the T was capital, so you can see brown table, but it should match because we should match by case insensitivity. That means it, whether it's uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. Create this method again. This product string, this will be name, so delegate this responsibility to repository. Dot find, we don't need to find one only, we will find also, we find by location, location here, so this will also be location, and by location. Let's create this method in the repository, string location. Okay, so create an empty list, product result of new array list for product in products if p dot location dot equals ignore case location, then we add this product to the list result, and let's return this result. So result, that should work. Let's run it. Yeah, so we can see total products 9, so 9 products are placed on brown table. You can see here T is capital and here T is small, but it's matched because we ignore cases while searching. Next requirement is search product by text. So let's do that. I will say that one is name, type, location. Product service get products by location. We can say get products by text, and let's say the text we want to give drawer, and let's create this method in here, string text return repository find by text, and create this method in the repository class. So string text. Okay, let's just copy it and paste it here. Now we can't use equals ignore case because it can be substring as well. So for example, drawer should match with first drawer, second drawer, things like that. So let's say for products, text, let's create a final text. So we will change everything to lowercase and then match, then check for substring. So let's say string final text will be type dot lowercase, and here product name, let's say string name equal to p dot get name dot to lowercase, type equal to p dot get to lowercase, for case no. If name dot contains final text, or that means if the search query is substring of name or search query is substring of type dot contains final text or contains final text, that means the product should be part of our result. Let's rerun the code again. Now you can see we got everything. Get products by text related dot. So you can see name is USB-C to HDMI adapter type cable, but its location is first drawer. So this is matching the location. This is also matching location, but drawer keys is matching name. It is not matching type or location. So if we do laptop here, we have to output first is Dell laptop, so it is matching name, type as well. But if it's matching name, we don't search for search ahead. MacBook Pro, this is not matching name, this is matching type. That's how it's working. So that is correct. Now search products with expired warranty. Let's say this. Get with expired warranty, and we don't need to give anything as input. Let's create method in product service. It will just delegate the work to repository. Return repository dot find with expired warranty. Now we will create a date which will represent current date. Current date will be date dot new date. So this is current date. Now we will return all the products where the warranty is not null. That means the product is or was eligible for warranty. Some products are not eligible for warranty, for example notebook or some USB cable, those are generally not eligible for warranty, so for them warranty will be null. So we want products where warranty should not be null and the warranty should be less than current date. So just iterate over the, let's copy this here, and yeah, for product P, if P dot get warranty is not null and P dot get warranty dot compare to current date is less than 0, then result dot add P. So compared to current date less than 0, that means this warranty is less than current date. Let's run it. So your total 15 products which are out of warranty. So you can see the warranty for Dell laptop is December 10, 2020. But if you see at look at Samsung M33, its warranty is 10/4/2024, and that is not part of it because its warranty is not expired. Same goes for MacBook Pro, its warranty goes till 2025, so it's also not expired. So that this is done. Now let's convert data transfer from list to stream. So just go to product repository, and this returning is nothing, so we don't need to convert it to anything. This was returning a single product, we don't need to do anything else. For everything else, let's first instead of list of products, stream of product, and it's very simple. Just let's just do products dot stream. It will create a stream of products and return it. Same goes for find by location. Let's do stream, and we can use filter on products. So return products dot stream dot filter, and in the filter we can just say product and return this one. Product. We can simplify that further. Okay, so this will return a stream. Now here as well we can do stream is final text, and it's written products dot stream dot filter product, cut it. Instead of if we say return here, let's say p here. Okay, so that is done. Now stream product add warranty, product dot stream dot filter product. Let's return this one. No, let's make it p. Now we have some errors because the repository is returning a stream, but service is using list, so convert it to stream like that. Stream and stream. That is done, and we are not using list, so we can optimize imports here. Okay, and now we have errors here because here it should be stream not list. Stream dot count, and we can say products dot for each ln. So we cannot do products dot count here because in stream we count, then stream is exhausted, then we won't be able to iterate again. So we simply do this and run it again. So you can see we are getting the products with expired warranty, and similarly we can convert these two streams as well, but I will not do that. This because this is a similar approach and nothing new. We can get rid of this list from imports. So that's it for this video. In the next video or in the next challenge, we may convert this project to something else, like we may use Spring Boot, and we may convert it to a web app where we can send API requests, and later we can add UI as well to this project. So we'll meet again. Thank you everyone.